Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to remove someone from your Slack workspace in 2025. For that, first of all, you will have to open your Slack workspace and then you just have to simply click on your workspace name. Now, after clicking on it, you will see a bunch of different options, and among these options, you need to hover over to tools and settings, and here you will see manage members. So once you click on this option, you will be redirected on the membership page where you will see all of the people who have joined your workspace. Now here, if you want to remove any of these, you just have to simply click on these three dots right next to their profile, and then you just have to simply click on the deactivate account option. Now as soon as you click on the deactivate account option, they will be removed from your account and they will no longer be able to contact with you or will get in touch with you. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.